This custom-built home nestled in the desirable Mathews Green area is stunning. The all-brick beauty boasts a gourmet kitchen with all that you dream: exquisite cabinets, granite, stainless steel appliances, huge island and gas cooking. New floors on the first level, with bedroom, full bath and office/study. This thoughtful floor plan with double staircase includes a spacious primary suite, featuring a luxurious primary bath with jetted tub and his/her closet. Enormous fourth bedroom currently equipped as a home theater installed with Polk digital Dolby full surround, the ultimate in home media. Home also has permanent attic stairs to large decked storage, third level, which complements the large 2-car attached garage with room for plenty of storage as well. Screened-in back porch overlooks large backyard with new pool. Seller is looking to downsize, so come make this dream home yours. Just minutes from everything, 10 minutes to 264, 10 minutes to Sandbridge and 10 minutes to the Oceanfront.